Today, I'm putting the theory to the test. Can freezing bread actually improve gut health? Let's find out. When it comes to bread, we often think of it as a staple in our diets. But have you ever stopped to consider whether it's doing more harm than good? I know I have. That's why I'm excited to dive into this surprising trick that could just change the way you think about bread forever. When we talk about digestive issues, most of us can relate. Bloating, discomfort, and irregularity are just a few of the common problems people face every day. And bread, unfortunately, can sometimes make these issues worse. Whether it's the fiber, the gluten, or just the way it's processed, bread can be a major culprit when it comes to gut health. From irritable bowel syndrome to leaky gut syndrome, the list of digestive issues that bread can exacerbate goes on and on. And it's not just the bread itself, but the way it's often consumed. Think white bread sandwiches or garlic bread as a side dish. It's no wonder that many of us struggle with digestive issues on a daily basis. So what's the solution? Do we need to cut out bread entirely? Not necessarily. In fact, I'm about to share a game-changing tip that could just make bread a healthier part of your diet. When you freeze bread, something amazing happens. The starches within the bread undergo a transformation, becoming what's known as resistant starch. This type of starch is much more difficult for our bodies to digest, which means it ends up feeding the good bacteria in our gut instead of causing inflammation. But how does this work exactly? Well, when bread is frozen, the starches crystallize and become more resistant to digestion. This means that instead of being broken down in the small intestine, they make their way to the large intestine where they can be fermented by the good bacteria. The result, a healthier, more balanced gut microbiome. The benefits of resistant starch don't stop there. It's also been shown to increase the production of short-chain fatty acids, which are essential for a healthy gut lining. And, as an added bonus, resistant starch can even help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. So here's the surprising finding that connects frozen bread to improved gut health. By consuming frozen bread, you're actually giving your gut microbiome a boost. The resistant starch in frozen bread acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria and helping to create a more balanced gut ecosystem. In fact, studies have shown that consuming resistant starch on a daily basis can lead to significant improvements in gut health, including reduced inflammation and improved symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. The implications are huge. Could frozen bread be the key to unlocking better digestive health for millions of people? Today, we've explored the surprising connection between frozen bread and gut health. From the common digestive issues we all face to the science behind resistant starch, it's clear that this simple trick could be a game changer. So, give it a try and see how it affects your gut health. Thanks for watching, and if you have any experiences or questions, be sure to leave them in the comments below.